I love being in this place. I love the experience. I love these colours. I'm just going to put it down and see what happens. That's the mindset you need to be in. If you work in just one concentrated area, you lose your ability to see the whole. And at the end, we have to deliver a coherent series of shapes that makes a whole. Investing yourself as an honest interpretation of what you feel, but not thinking, I'm really going to try hard, not thinking, I really want to make this the best painting I've ever done, because that is absolutely ensures that it all goes wrong. Your mind makes these interpretive jumps subconsciously. Once you get used to colour mixing and once you get used to painting rapidly out of doors, your subconscious will do a lot of the hard work. If you pre-mix all the colours, that means you are subject to those colours. It means that you can't get away from the colours that you pre-mix because they're sitting there on the palette. It has an atmosphere. It has a sensibility. It has something about it that is enticing and puts me in the mind. It has a contemplative quality to it. Our eyes are so used to reading tone, being able to evaluate the amount of light.
Very important her telling me to get the whole concept in.
In emergencies, I keep a bottle of Armagnac in the studio.